All right, y'all reel everything up. Get our live bait ready. Make sure it's fresh. Toss the bait. Toss the bait. Oh yeah. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna get bit right there. 80 foot behind the boat. He's coming up slow. Reel it. Slow. 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 Oh, he's right there.
Yeah. Jordan, go pro.
Doing good, buddy. There you go. There you go. Oh no. Still on, or we all? Come off.
Nope.
Oh, no, we're not. Come up. Oh, okay. Coming up. You're ready to reel, Lori. You're ready to reel, baby. All right, come on. Right here. Here he is.
Man.
We caught him, so we just got to have him release it. Right. Woo! Hell yeah, dude.
Way to go.
All right, there he is.
Here he is.
Right, when you get him this
the
time,
line.
don't let go of him. Roger. Get in there and get him. Woo! Yep. Go ahead and grab that knife for him, please, guys.
Oh,
Help him out. Where's it at? In my pocket. All right, where's my pocket?
Good job, y'all. Good job, y'all.
way to go. Did you see that shot in the rainbow? That's God's promise. Not only did we see a cross out there, he jumped right in the rainbow.
Hey, I redeemed myself. Hey, great job, everybody.
Good job. Proud of y'all.
Come on. And all right, go all the way up. Get her in the chair. All right. Come on, Lord. There we go. Yeah. It just broke off. $100 foot. Yeah, go ahead and toss it. Roger that. Straight over. Oh, man. Are you bet? They all kind of fired in on it at the same time. There we go. All right, we're coming back. I'm talking about. Big still taking that line. Perfect. Yeah, man. Uh-oh. Look at him, girl. All right, come on up. Here she comes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now we fish. All right, you're close, baby. You're close.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Oh. All right, there's the leader. Come on. Come on. There we go. Going forward. I can't see.
Yeah.
Oh, straight down. Back off the drag. Back up. There you go. Perfect, Mama. Way to go. Yeah, there's no doubt what it is. Come on, Jill. All right, try to do something with it. Don't break it off, but there you go. Come on, fish. Oh yeah.
There it is.
All right, don't let go of it. Do not let go of it. Help him out. Break it off. Cut it off. Hey, pull. He broke it. He broke it.
Good job, y'all.
I'm sorry, guys.
Hey, you done great.
That was great. That was awesome, Doc. Good job, everybody. Yep, 21,000. All right, start to slowly come to height. Where'd you go, Shelton? Just reel, D. Just manage your line, okay? Yes, sir. Just pulling line right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mean little feller, wasn't he? He was. Dude, he came up there and hit the biggest bait we had in the spring.
He's coming up. He's coming up.
Where's my angle at? I can't see.
You're like right here, boy.
Ah, come on, fish. Come on, move. There you go. All right, oh, fish. All right.
Oh, yeah.
We got him, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
Get him out of that teaser, too. All right. That was a nice size white. Let go of him. Yeah. All right. Yes, sir.
Yep. There we go.
Woo! Come on. Come on. Come up. Come up. Come up. 220 foot. Yeah, now pack up, or was he up, coming up?
Yeah, he
all right, stop right there for a second.
There he is. 56 foot.
185 foot, 55 foot down. He's coming right at you. Keep reeling.
He's fixing to bite it.
He's fixing to bite. Get ready.
Keep reeling.
All right, stop. You're good. Get ready. Slow reel it again. There he is. He's right there. Get ready. Reel, 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 reel. All right, stop. Get another bait. Send it down.
That's one been moving my foot.
Send it. Just send it.
All right. Sit. He's trying to follow the boat. He must see something out there we don't. Should be all over.
Oh, goodness, Lord.
There it is. You got this, baby.
Oh, there's all right. There's the leader.
All right. Doing good, baby.
I'm just gonna have to sit here for a minute and just kind of see what happens.
You see any color of it?
Wow, I see a giant fish, but I can't tell what it is. Somebody needs to get that teaser in. Ah, it's massive, whatever it is.
What in the world?
Somebody get ready to get that leader, okay?
I am.
I don't know what that is.
Let me go ahead and pull this gaff out from under you.
No, he needs to just get the other one. Go.
Yeah,
he
use
needs
that
to
one
come with the
first.
other one. Okay. Oh!
That's 300. Nothing you done, baby. Nothing. Nothing you done.
Oh, my goodness.
They just finally broke the line. Big old shark.
It looked brown, but
I think it was
but they
sharp.
bronze out too. So.
Oh yeah.
It's
got a lot of cuts in it.
Oh, it does. Okay.
It looked like a shark.
It's nicked up pretty dang bad.
That was that fish we marked. That's why he wasn't popping real good, because he was a white. Oh, here we go. Get ready.
It's the leader.
Reel it all the way to the tip if you can, Miss Lori.
Okay.
Spin her chair to the left. There you go.
Like a nice size white. That's what I thought it was, but
It might. We'll see. We'll just get a good video of it.
right.
There it is. Get ready.
Thing. Oh, I see it.
All right, ease it up. Ease it up.
Come down to your first line.
That's a blue.
Yeah.
Blue? Oh yeah. Woo!
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah!
Let's go.
Yeah! Blue, baby. Yeah! Get my hooks to that back. That's definitely a
Anal
blue.
fins.
Yeah, anal.
Help me, Dino.
Oh, Dino.
I got you. Don't get no pictures of that.
Got the hook. All right, let him go. Let him go.
Yes, sir. Let's go. That was sick. That was sick.
Oh, no.
I know you're wore out. You're tired. You just tired.
I tell you what, that big old shark, it's prepared me for like the biggest blue marlin in this ocean.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize.
Talking about a Chinese fire.
Oh my God. Yeah, I just flipped a 30-pound dolphin.
That'd be a damn hand sitting there,
There it is.
Don't turn away from it.
Man, that was a fish right there. It was a lot of fun. I tell you what, Lord has been good to us so much. We just thank you, Jesus.
I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my
Reel it in fast. Stop. 130 foot, 9 foot down. Slow reel on it.
Oh my goodness, yeah, I see it.
Stop, stop there. Oh. I mean, he should have ate that. Look at that. Where's he at?
100 foot behind us.
Go ahead, dart it. Come on.
Wait, you good? Go ahead.
Go. Fast. Stop.
Then I definitely ain't shopping around.
Come on, fish. This will be a great one to pull right now.
What are you doing over there, Moose? Apparently, look at your tank, dude. It's getting your picture. I'm trying to whoop your ass, but I still gotta catch up.
You ain't rubbing, you ain't racing, right?
Here you go.
It's a lot better when you got $10 million worth of rubbing to deal with.
I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
So we just finished up with the 2024 Hurricane Hole Invitational. Man, we had a great trip. We ended up 5 for 7 on blues and 1 for 3 on whites. Ended up taking first place tag and release, third place dolphin. So we had 1 blue on Thursday.
And we missed that one, you know, it came up and tried to eat the teaser.
That's right. So we were 1 for 2 on Thursday. It was a great trip. I think that puts us in first place in the SFC, so we advance to Cabo.
Yeah, if we can have a good finish in Labor Day and stay at number 1, we should have first round bye. That way we fish 2 days in Cabo and hopefully win the championship. We're thinking about fishing black and blue, so we'll see. I don't know. Thank y'all for tuning in. We have been grinding this whole season. It's been an unbelievable season. So if y'all like these videos, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next one.
I'm taking my time on my